What's happening, folks? This is Elias with EH Tutorials, and today I want to do a quick video showing you how to create a restore disk on a flash drive. Currently I have a 64 gigabyte flash drive that I'm going to be using to set that up for you. So with this video you're going to learn how to do that. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to plug in your flash drive. I'm actually going to do it live for you so that you see basically the drive popping up. So let me head down there and do it now. As you can see, we have the Kingston drive here, and with this drive you can see that it's empty, and we can get started on creating the recovery process. So now that you have connected your flash drive, the next step is to go to the control panel. On the left side here in the search, just type in control panel. You're gonna get your list of icons and where to go. If you see this view here, which is a category view, don't worry about that. Just click on this box over here and just change it to large icons. Now that you have done that, click on recovery. So once you get to recovery, you can get these different options here. Click on the create a restore drive. It's going to show this little box here, basically giving you permission to allow this program to be run. Once you do that, it's going to give you access to, basically it's a wizard that you can help, you can get started with that and set it up. So what you'll do is right over here you can select the backup system files to the recovery drive. It really comes down to how many files you think you have that you actually need restored. In this flash drive I actually have 64 gigabytes of space, and I believe that should be enough for what I have on this desktop computer. So you want to click on next. You can let that get checked in here, that's totally fine. And click on next. It's gonna start doing a scan of what's available here. I usually use Kingston. Kingston is the actual name of the drive. I usually use it as a little flash drive for carrying data back and forth from work and all that. And this is my storage. You don't want to select the storage because that's where all your files are at. So once you do that, click on the actual drive, which is in this case, if you want to go back to look at it, you can see this Kingston. It'll show you that the device is empty, or the folder is empty. You want to make sure that that's selected and hit next. It's gonna give you a little bit of a warning telling you that everything's gonna be deleted. Make sure that you make sure that you actually copied everything that you have on that flash drive, and make sure you have a backup copy, because everything that you have there is gonna get erased. So what you want to do is click on create once you're sure that you've clicked everything and you know that it's gonna go to that specific drive. It's all very easy stuff, like I said, so all you have to do is click on create. Now, I don't want to bore you with the long waiting time that you would have to wait, but it usually takes about 10, maybe 15 minutes to get this process all completely done. But the good thing is, we're going to speed it up over here, so you won't have to wait. Now that everything is done, all you have to do, if you are in need, is to pretty much go to your computer and restart it. Once you restart it, you're going to get the options to go to your setup and then change your boot priority to that drive being the first one. Once you do that, it'll boot to that drive, and the settings can start, and you can start restoring things to the way they were. Signing off, this is Elias. Take care, everybody.